Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll down and find Backup and Reset. And here we've got Network Settings Reset, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, click on Reset Settings, click on Reset Settings again. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.